Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and I have my July EYESCREAM Beauty Box subscription box here. Just got it at the mailbox today. $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, and you're guaranteed a palette. Could be an eyeshadow palette, could be a face palette, could be a lip palette, highlighter, could be bronzing, contouring, but it's a palette. So let's go ahead and find our way into the box. $25, and that includes shipping. So shipped to you, $25 a month. Very nice. Here's their logo. Let's take a look. It feels squishy full. They always do a really good job of making sure there's enough packing material in here that your stuff shouldn't be really broken. Pretty rare. I just did my BoxyCharm by Ipsy unboxing, my prior video. They do not put much packing material in, and you can shake the box and hear everything banging around. So I appreciate that they take care of the products when they ship them to you. That's what it looks like. Okay, so you do get a card. This little card is going to tell me the theme of the month, what's in the box. There's usually a little description and the MSRP on each item. So July's theme is in the clouds. Very cute. There you go. That's what it looks like. Again, nicely packaged. I do see something that I believe is Zeesea Cosmetics. I used to get the Zeesea. They have a subscription box as well. I got that for a full year. It is a makeup brand out of China, and cute stuff. So let's see if I'm right. I'm just going to pull the first one out. Yes, this sure looks like Zeesea for me. Yes, part of the Zeesea's Palace Identity line. So I'm very familiar with this. Let's find it on here. Okay, where are you? There it is. Blossom Bronzer and Contour by the Palace Identity, which is Zeesea. $42 for this. It says, warmer sculpt your look this summer. There are 2 shades available of the stunning compact. It's inspired by the cultural relics of the Tang Dynasty. The rose embossment accommodates 2 shades that can be worn alone or harmonious together for a customizable color blend. So much went into the crafting of these. So you guys, for some, especially the Palace Identity line for Zeesea Cosmetics, the packaging is stunning. Really awesome. So the other nice thing about Zeesea is it's always really well shrink sealed. See if I can find another tool to help me get in here. I don't want to ruin the box, but we'll keep trying with this. Always really nicely shrink sealed. You know, nobody's been in it since it went through manufacture. Yes, manufactured in China. A lot of stuff is manufactured in China these days. A lot of makeup. Okay. Get rid of some of that. Again, nice box. Let's see if we can get in here without breaking a nail. Oh, there's my tool. Come on. Well, we're going to do our best here to use a nail tool to... So wait till you guys see how beautiful the packaging is. If you haven't seen my Zeesea videos, I do have a playlist out there on YouTube, my YouTube channel. Come on. Okay, so it comes in a really pretty little, it's a kind of velvety feel to it. Here's the cute little gem on it. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty. It's going to be a little reflective. It's gold. So you ready for this? There it is. So that's the outside of the compact. Back is pretty standard. Beautiful, beautiful emblem. Let's go ahead. I like how with the little added gem, it's covered. So it's got a little bit of a, what do you call it? Protection. Okay, so I'm afraid I'm going to break it. Okay, why are you not opening? I think I just got, there we go. I was afraid I was going to like get it with my nail, but it does have a plastic like shade saver over it. Now, if you've seen my videos for Zeesea, you'll probably recognize. So here's the shade saver cover over it. Oop, there it goes. There it is. Really pretty, very pressed, stamped, pretty like emblem in there. Roses, beautiful petals that are, they put a little sparkle in those little centers of those pretty flowers, and it's just a cute little overspray on there, but yeah, really gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and cover it immediately back up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I have to say kudos to Zeesea because it's some of the most like coolest looking packaging. Some of their eyeshadow palettes are stunning, stunningly beautiful. So, all right, let's get this put back. So $42 for that Zeesea Cosmetics, and nicely packaged, safely packaged. I really like that a lot. Okay, nice. Already almost, but not quite, twice the price of the box, right? Again, it is the Blossom Bronzer and Contour by Palace Identity, which is Zeesea Cosmetics. Palace Identity is one of their popular lines. Okay, we got Medusa's Makeup, cruelty-free and vegan tinted lip balm. All right, this one says $12. I'm gonna have to adjust my my light behind you guys because it's really producing some glare. Okay. This is a perfect balance between lipstick and lip balm. Provides a beautiful color. Also keeps your lips moisturized all day. This can be especially important in summer, yes, when the heat and sun can cause your lips to become dry. It's also very comfortable to wear in warmer weather since the formula feels very light on the lips. Okay, here's the color, Social. It's kind of almost like a purpley color. That's really pretty. See if we can get into this one. I'm grumpy, my little tool, there it is. I always use a little pry bar. Okay. Yeah, it's like a purple color. Called Social. If we can get it out. Well, she's in there. Why are you not coming out? Okay, seriously. Ooh, she's stuck. She's stuck. We're going to have to go in on both sides and push her out. Give her a little shove. Okay, pretty simple packaging. Clearly a bullet, lippy. Okay, there's the shade. That's what it looks like. I'm going to cover it, and that is what they claim it looks like. Color is, again, Social. It's pretty. It's pinker than what it looks like per my lighting. It almost, okay, so the box, I swear the box made it look really kind of purpley, but this is kind of a nice and neutral nude color. Clearly I have already got lippy on, so can't try that, not going to. I've been confessing I have a lot of lip products. Nice to show. There's that Leaping Bunny, cruelty-free. It's very nice. Appreciate that. Like that a lot. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we have an Ofra. Okay. It's nicely bubble wrapped, safe and secure, right? This is, where to go? $29. Yeah, I gotta turn that light down. She bright. Into this. Aw, it's so sticky. It tore the bubble wrap. I don't like to waste the bubble wrap. Ooh, goodness. She's like white. Okay, here's what it looks like. So this is a pressed powder oil control. I'm wondering if it's more translucent than anything. Let's see if we can get into it. Okay. Ooh, there's what she looks like. Okay, let's see what they have to say. Oil Control Pressed Powder by Ofra, $29. During the summer and on hot days, our skin tends to produce a lot more oil and sweat. This pressed powder is a perfect product to help make sure your makeup doesn't just melt off your face. Use it to set your makeup and take it with you to instantly remove any excess shine. This won't ruin your makeup underneath and will keep your makeup matte throughout the day. Ooh, I might actually have to try that. That's really nice. They don't give you a puff or anything to use with it, so you have to provide your own puff. That's kind of interesting that Ofra would do that, but, you know, that is what it is. Let's see if I can put it. We'll kind of try to get her back in here. Sad that I kind of ruined that, but that's okay. So nice brand. Another nice one. Okay, what do we got here? Ooh, heavy. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, goodness. Shiny. Net contents, 8 grams. Charmacy. Okay, well, this is heavy, whatever it is, from Charmacy. So let's see what they have to say. Volumizing Mascara by Charmacy Global, $12. This mascara is sweat-proof, which makes it another summer must-have. Sweat-proof mascara is specially formulated to withstand moisture and humidity, ensuring your lashes stay volumized and defined throughout the day, resist smudging, flaking, and running even in hot or sweaty conditions. I'm curious. I have a lot of mascaras to try. Interesting. Okay, I would be a very good judge of that. $12. It's interesting their choice in verbiage. They didn't say waterproof. A lot of mascara they're calling waterproof. Like I use I believe a Maybelline one, and they've got a regular and a waterproof version of it. This is pretty. It's very heavy packaging. It feels very substantial, let me tell you that. $12. I'd love to open it and show you guys the spoolie, but the minute I do that, it's going to start drying out. So I actually am coming to the end of using a couple mascaras. Maybe I'll slip this one in. I have used a couple recently and not used them you shouldn't use mascara for anything more than 3 months. And a couple of them, I've hated them so much. I've used them for like 1 month and been like, I'm done. So I may have to put that one in rotation and see if their claims are true. Because I appreciate the no smudge, because flakes off on me a lot depending on what I'm wearing, what kind. I generally try to wear a waterproof one so it doesn't flake all over, especially in summer when it's sweaty. All right, last item is our palette, right? All right, Moonslice Beauty. Look at how nicely packaged this is. Super nice bubble wrap, safe packaging. Boxy by Ipsy. Ipsy, you could learn a lesson. Take care of your products. You wouldn't have to replace so much damaged products. All right, let's see the price of this. Moon Magic or Blue Moon palette. Ooh, there was a choice. That's right. I went in and made my choice. So this month you got an email if you're a regular subscriber. Yeah, you got to do your choice until they ran out. But I made this choice. So this is $30. For the first time ever, we are featuring Moonslice Beauty in our box. Moonslice Beauty is committed to providing affordable makeup options to everyone and aiding in those in need. Their commitment not only maintaining reasonable prices, but also maintaining a strong ethical stance in the beauty industry has made them an indie brand favorite. This month, we allowed you to choose between 2 palettes. Each of these palettes contains 15 highly pigmented matte shimmer and duochrome shades. Summer is the time for fun, vibrant colors. Don't be afraid to jump out of your comfort zone. So it's in a box. It looks like Moonslice Beauty. So yes, I remember I did go in and actually make my choice. Just curious to see what it says. Designed in sunny California. Made in the PRC. She made in the People's Republic of China. This is another one from China. Just saying. A lot of makeups made in China. Okay, here we go. So, keep that. Probably, yep, there's a mirror. Y'all will understand why I chose this when you see the shade, because you know me and the colors I like. Look at that. Okay, just making sure nothing looks like it's going to fall out. Nothing looks broken. Everything looks nice and safe. Love me the shades, right? Purples and deep reds. Oh, man, this is pretty. Love the duochromes in here. Really pretty. Might be keeping this one. She's pretty. I already got me some makeup on, but look at that. Dual chrome. Couple in here I would be less likely to use, but most of these I'm looking at and going, those are my shades. I like those colors. What do y'all think? So that is $30. Again, price of the box is only $25. You get makeup. Every once in a very blue moon, we get like one skincare, what I would call like a skincare product. Really rare to see that. But generally it's all makeup. I appreciate that. Y'all saw my Boxy by Ipsy video. A lot of skincare. Actually have one of them sitting here. So you do gotta really fill out a profile on that other box. But this one is great. They do have a bag. They do have the EYESCREAM Beauty bag. It is $12.50 a month. You also have to pay additional shipping on top of that. So you have to pay the cost of shipping. You get 3 full-size items in there, and they're not the same items as what's in the box. So if you wanted to, you could get both, and you would not get any kind of duplication, which I think is very, very smart on them. Yeah, kind of fun. So I also think that beauty bag, the bag with the 3 items, could be a really neat gift for somebody. You know, sign them up for a month, have it shipped to them. Cute little gift, right? Sign up. Maybe you've got a family member, like a young girl or boy who's really into makeup. Maybe sign them up for 3 months of the beauty bag. They can get some really fun little makeup, right? So we have $30 for this. Here's the lip, what did they call it? I almost called it a lip oil, but it is a lip balm, and it's $12. We got us some Ofra, an interesting oil control pressed powder. That one's $29. So that's also more than the cost of the box. We've got some Zeesea Palace Identity here. And that one is $42 and beautiful. And then we do have the Charmacy $12 mascara. So I think this is another really good box. I really do. Now, I'm going to tell you, you're going to get not like the high-end brands in this box. You do get some good brands. You're not going to see anything crazy high-end brands, okay? Because they can't do it, right? If you are also like a subscriber, they'll have sales. They'll oftentimes sell. I haven't looked, but they might have these available for sale at some point. This one, or, you know, you could go in, let's say you got the palette I got, and maybe you're like, boy, I wish I would have gotten the other one. They might be selling those. I haven't checked, but they oftentimes do that. And a lot of times they sell out quick. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. So in the clouds is the theme for the month. I think it's a great box. I'm never disappointed with EYESCREAM Beauty, honestly. Let me know your thoughts down below. I appreciate so much you guys and taking your time to check out my video on my channel. I hope you can double check. Please make sure you're subscribed, or please, if you're new here, please give me a chance. Hit that subscription button. It's getting pretty rough on social media, especially here on YouTube. It's getting really rough, but would love it if you join my YouTube family. Let me know if you got questions. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this, and have a great week, guys. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, everybody.